Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope you're well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance your videos. So it's not looks like Mini or Wing, or I already shared a lot of softwares and apps on my channel. If you don't know, so make sure you watch. So right now on the home screen of the PDF app, you can see we have HDD store option available. Simply click on it. It's premium feature, but you can try for 3 times free. So this one is basically for the mobile and very basic use, not for professional or something like unique and outstanding. Speeding up this process up to 16 times to make sure your time not waste. In my opinion, Remini Wing still one of the best when it comes to portrait. I'm sure PDF does something with the foreground. I added in the video enhancer list because I think this will improve in the future. I hope you enjoy this video. If you to the channel, make sure to consider subscribe. See you soon in the next video.